Welcome to the postgraduate lab for the Department of Information Technology. We boast of a high-end, well-equipped lab of about 30 student capacity comprising of Thermaltake i10 PCs with 8 GB RAM and 500 GB hard drive alongside IoT devices. Our postgraduate students use the lab in running image processing applications, converged network simulation, wireless sensor simulation, data mining, business intelligence, deep learning and machine learning projects via MATLAB, Python, RStudio and Visual Studio applications. The department alongside the engineering department purchased a campus license for MATLAB that all postgraduate students within both departments can have access to MATLAB application both on site and remotely. Due to the pandemic and personal low-end devices of some students, the IT department has provided the postgraduate students with the ability to run their MATLAB applications on a web browser based on the license purchased, reducing the processing power needed to run their applications on their personal computers whilst allowing them to work remotely. Furthermore, our state-of-art research facility enables our postgraduate students to conduct research on networking and sensor projects using applications such as UpNet Modeler, now River Bird Modeler, and NS2. Also, our postgraduate students carry out research in multimedia systems and IoT projects using devices such as big data machines, Raspberry Pi, sensors such as temperature sensor, wind speed sensor, solar sensor, methane sensor, and so on. An iMotion equipment and software for future research was also procured this year, improving the research scope of our postgraduate students. With this equipment, our research students can capture and analyze human cognitive, psychological, and emotional states. Thus, we are positioned to answer complex questions about human behavior and build algorithms that evolve from rich, detailed human behavior data to make technology more accurate and more human. The postgraduate lab boasts of a standby resident and remote lab technician that assists postgraduate students on and off campus with setting up and running maintenance when needed. Access to on-campus lab allows for access outside of normal operating hours. So far, we have not had to implement a booking system due to oversubscription. To enforce rules and ethics in the lab, instructions on the usage of the lab is visible on the wall. The lab also has an access control feature at the entrance that keeps a log of students present at the lab.